Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. As far as our current scientific understanding goes, there were no civilizations that lived on Earth before humans. The first known human civilizations arose relatively recently, around 6,000 years ago in Mesopotamia and Egypt. However, Earth has been around for billions of years and has been home to a diverse range of life forms, including plants, animals, and microorganisms. Fossils and other evidence show that the earliest forms of life on Earth emerged around 3.5 billion years ago. Prior to the emergence of life, Earth was a barren and uninhabitable planet with a harsh environment shaped by volcanic activity and intense meteorite bombardment. The processes of plate tectonics, weathering, erosion, and other geologic processes played a major role in shaping the Earth's surface and creating the conditions that allowed life to emerge and evolve. To expand further, scientists have identified several geological eras that predate the emergence of human civilization. These eras are known as the Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic eras. During these eras, the Earth underwent significant geological and biological changes that ultimately led to the emergence of complex life forms, including humans. During the Precambrian era, which spans from the formation of the Earth around 4.6 billion years ago to around 540 million years ago, the Earth's atmosphere and oceans began to take shape. The first forms of life, including single-celled microorganisms, emerged during this time. The Paleozoic era, which lasted from 540 million years ago to around 252 million years ago, saw the emergence of complex life forms, including fish, amphibians, and reptiles. This era also saw the evolution of plants and the emergence of the first forests. The Mesozoic era, which spanned from 252 million years ago to 66 million years ago, is often referred to as the Age of Dinosaurs. During this era, dinosaurs dominated the Earth, but it also saw the emergence of mammals and the evolution of birds. Finally, the Cenozoic era began around 66 million years ago and continues to the present day. This era saw the evolution of modern mammals, including primates, which ultimately led to the emergence of humans. So, while no civilizations existed prior to humans on Earth, the planet has a rich history spanning billions of years that led to the emergence and evolution of life as we know it today. Detail on each of the geological eras that preceded the emergence of human civilizations. The Precambrian era. The Precambrian era began with the formation of the Earth around 4.6 billion years ago and lasted until about 541 million years ago. During this time, the Earth underwent significant changes and transformations. The Earth's atmosphere and oceans began to take shape, and the first forms of life emerged. The earliest life forms were single-celled microorganisms, such as bacteria and archaea. These organisms evolved to adapt to their environments, and some developed photosynthesis, which led to the production of oxygen. Over time, this oxygen accumulation in the atmosphere paved the way for the emergence of complex life forms. The Paleozoic era. The Paleozoic era began about 541 million years ago and lasted until about 252 million years ago. This era is often referred to as the Age of Invertebrates, because it saw the emergence and evolution of a wide range of invertebrate animals, such as trilobites, mollusks, and arthropods. During this time, the first fish, plants, and insects also emerged. The Paleozoic era saw several significant events, such as the Cambrian explosion, which saw a rapid diversification of life forms, and the Permian-Triassic extinction event, which wiped out 90% of all marine species and 70% of all land species. The Mesozoic era. The Mesozoic era began about 252 million years ago and lasted until about 66 million years ago. This era is often referred to as the Age of Dinosaurs because it saw the emergence and dominance of these reptiles. During this time, the first birds and mammals also emerged. The Mesozoic era saw several significant events, such as the Triassic-Jurassic extinction event, which wiped out many marine and terrestrial species, and the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, which led to the extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs. The Cenozoic era. The Cenozoic era began about 66 million years ago and continues to the present day. This era is often referred to as the Age of Mammals because it saw the emergence and diversification of modern mammals, including primates. During this time, the Earth underwent significant geological changes, such as the formation of the Andes and the Himalayas and the emergence of the modern climate patterns. The Cenozoic era also saw several significant events, such as the Paleocene-Eocene thermal maximum, which led to a significant warming of the Earth's climate, and the Pleistocene epoch, which saw the emergence and extinction of many species of mammals, including early humans. God bless you and take care. Goodbye.